the years, I've collected a crap ton of clothes that I'd wear when I'm skinny. I'm here to report that after 2 to 3 years, I'm not there. It's fine. To be really honest, it doesn't feel great, but I'm pretty sure there's a collective group of us that tend to hoard clothes that are way too small in hopes that one day, when the time is right and we've lost weight in the future, when we're skinny, we can wear. With that being said, I have some clothes for you. It's been years since these bad boys been haunting me in my closet. These are clothes that I'd wear when I'm skinnier. It's kind of depressing. Let's not make it a negative thing. It's just a realistic thing. You may or may not remember this dress. This is from 2 years ago during quarantine. You may recall myself saying, I'm insecure, I'm shy, I don't look good in this, I feel too big in this dress, my pouch is too invasive. So this is, we're our own enemies and our biggest critiques. And honestly, I can say, Faye, you don't look horrendous. However, this is a piece that I put aside for years, maybe wore it out once. Even then, I felt so insecure because I was not tiny enough. And the biggest flaw that I was very insecure about was my stomach area. 99.999% of most of our biggest insecurities. I definitely feel exposed. Wearing this again doesn't help the idea that I just want to save it until I'm a little thinner. It honestly sucks to see myself wearing this after like 2 years of hauling it, and it's just gotten worse. It feels disappointing. Most of my clothes I save with the intentions of I'm gonna look so good in this, even better when I'm tinier. And to put it on now, knowing that I weigh like 10 pounds heavier, definitely suppresses my confidence way off the charts. I just wish there would be a point in my life where I would just be okay with the fact that I've gained weight and to just be at peace with that. And honestly, for a second there, these past 3 weeks or so, I kind of started to feel like I just don't care. It's easier feeling that when you're eating something you really want to eat versus when you have your old clothes on and they don't fit the same. I saved this 2 years ago to wear 2 years later. And I'm not saying that if you feel this way, it's wrong. I personally believe how you handle a situation, no matter the circumstance, holds more weight. Ironic! Wait, this is the first dress that I continue to keep in my closet because it holds a burden of when you're skinnier, you will wear this out more. This is the next item, and it's a strapless corset that I've hauled not too long ago at all, maybe last fall, and can't even touch the ends. Most of my crop tops don't fit me anymore, and that's because I've gained 5 to 10 pounds. It just sucks. I know I worked so hard last summer and fall, and to look just 1 year later, it doesn't feel great. It's insane. I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I'm just thinking, you are a lazy piece of meat. I know that I suck at self-discipline. I just keep choosing to ignore what I know is most important to me, and that's literally my health. Instead of improving that, I am just out of control. And I know you guys might say, no, you're not, Faye. Like, it's so normal. I live with myself, and I know that I make really bad decisions, and I live with those regrets daily because I make those same mistakes daily. I know I can do better. Honestly, this very moment right now is probably the lowest I felt in a year, at least this year. It just kept spiraling. I know I struggled immensely when my mom was here with my health and what I was doing to my body. Every day is a chance to go about something and tackle what you've been trying to fix or do or improve. And I clearly have all the resources I need right there. I could just make that decision and do it. Instead, I'm just like, I want you. I'm at a place where it's like, who can I blame? Myself. I've been trying to tell myself all summer that like, it's fine, body positive. It's okay to embrace this side of myself. But it's just reminding me how much like I hated myself back then. I just feel like I've been so stressed with other things in my life that I'm just completely like neglecting. I keep giving myself this it's okay pass when I know it's not okay. That took quite the turn. Did not realize this video would bring me to a place of anger and disappointment, but I do feel that way. Yeah, this shirt doesn't fit and I'm still keeping it. Like, I honestly don't really know what to say. I try to empower others and normalize body image, but to what degree do I admit that sometimes I'm lying to myself? Okay, Here's the next dress. I'm keeping my nail white bra on. This is already gonna be a wreck. I know it. I had this dress when I first started to lose weight. Granted, there is a zipper. You know what? Fine. We'll try. This was always the issue back here, and honestly I kept thinking, oh, I'll lose weight and it'll just get better. I mean, look how cute it is. It has this really cute slit. This was literally the dress that determined a lot of my milestones. In 6 months I'll fit it. If I don't fit it, I'm not there yet. A year I'll fit it. If I'm not there, I'm not there yet. 3 years later, I guess I'm not there yet. I think it's just the chest bestie, okay? Or it could just be my back fat. I mean, like, there's that too. I guess I'm not willing to let it go because I know that it was the first dress I bought when I started to lose weight. This is my monumental moment of feeling and being a pretty girl. I almost want to bask in this moment and make it a turning point for me because I know deep down I'm not happy. Again, it's how you go about it. I think this is a toxic video idea. I've attempted to wear these pants a couple times. You know, this feels great, it's comfy, and then I'll look myself in the mirror for a little bit too long and always ended up taking them off. And you already know I kept it because I thought I'd fit them by now. It feels comfy, lightweight. The more I look at it, the more protruding my belly is. This is me sucking it in. This is me letting it all out. And I got it off of YesStyle, so this was technically the biggest size. I don't have an option to up my size. And you know, maybe it's not to lose weight, maybe it's to change my mindset. And I'm not saying that everything I've shared and talked about to you guys isn't true. As much as we can push and run with that motivation and encouragement, there's always that little voice in the back of our head. I feel like instead of working on that voice, I've been ignoring it. Maybe I just need to let go of all these clothes. Anyway, these pants are too tight on the belly and it makes me feel heavy. Hopefully when I'm skinnier. I've had this for years. I've only tried it on once and I was like, oh, it doesn't look great now, but it's okay. I'll just keep this around. This would be a cute cardigan. Okay, so far the top is fine. I don't know why I'm not wearing this on its own. It comes with a matching skirt. I don't hate it. Clearly, I don't love it. It doesn't kill me inside too slowly. My arms and my back and my stomach are my 3 biggest indicators of self-detriment. Sucking it in, I'm sucking it in, okay? Free-flowing in all its glory. You know, this one has potential, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I don't want to stare at myself for way too long because then I might change my mind. So, this one's okay. You don't need to say it. I got this top from Stylenanda and it was like a 1 size. Obviously the Korean model was way tinier, so she looked perfectly fine. I loved the color. It's literally choking me. So I don't know what I thought, thinking it's fine, I'll fit it. All kinds of disoriented. Yeah, I mean, it's cute for like the beach as a bikini top. If this is not telling, come on, look how suffocating. I think I was stuck on the color. Here's the lesson. Wearing tighter clothes, you may think, oh, I'm gonna look skinnier. You're just gonna look stuffed, enhancing your insecurities. You know what? I'm gonna feel so much better letting this go. Baby steps, okay, baby steps. I don't wanna be in shock. Deuces. Taking this off. So I know that you guys have been always curious and wondering why I just don't buy clothes that fit me. I think I'm just in denial that I've gained weight and that I need to upsize again. Kind of symbolizes all my hard work within these years going to waste and going right back to where I started. I'm gonna find pieces that fit me and haul clothes that actually complement my body, or at least start in my size. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you, just a bit.